What's up guys, Trey again with Hartman Adventures. Today we are taking Ellie to the go-kart track for her birthday. It's Ellie's birthday, so we're going to take her to the go-kart track because Ellie has always wanted to do the go-kart. She said she wanted to be a race car driver for Careers Day at school, and we are finally getting the chance to take her to the go-kart track. So let's see if we can head up there and get Ellie in a cart and see if she can have some fun. So come join us on this adventure. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and help us wish Ellie a happy birthday in the comment section. Let's go. Hartman Adventures at them, man. Ready? Ready, Ellie?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's put on your microphone. Ready? Having fun? You had fun.
Yeah. That's making me really dizzy.
It's making you really dizzy.
Nadia, let me use the white one.
Daddy say you guys are gonna swim this one. This one is not okay?
Yeah.
There we go. Ready again. We win, Ellie. We pass them. We pass them out, Ellie. Go and lock them again, Ellie. So fast, Ellie. You having fun, Ellie? Sure. Come, Ellie, we can pass them and win them. And win. Pit stop. Alright guys, so that was the quick adventure. We are leaving the kart world right now. Ellie totally had fun. So we hope to bring her back pretty soon. She was scared to drive.
As always.
She was scared to drive. She doesn't like driving.
No, I don't.
But the next time when we come, we're going to get her in a cart and then we can race and see who will win. Right, Ellie?
I'm gonna win.
You're gonna win, yeah. That's it for today's adventures, guys.
I'm gonna win.
Guess we'll see you in the next adventure.
I'm gonna
You're going to try again?
Yeah. Nobody can win me.
Nobody can win you. Yeah, I know. That's my race car driver. See you later, Ellie. Say bye.